Hey guys, my name is Max and welcome to a new episode of Dignitas Cars. On Dignitas Cars, it's all about cars and the straight line performance. We do 100 to 200 tests as well as top speed runs on the German Autobahn. If you like this and you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel. And today we're gonna retest the Mercedes E320 CDI, but this time we're gonna install this little tuning box right here from Carlsson and check if we get any faster than last time. So this tuning box here should add 40 horsepower and a whopping 80 Newton meters of torque. So now let's install this little box here and stay tuned, of course. Okay, so all we have to do is remove this cover here, those two clips. Then we get access to this box right here where the ECU is located. Then we can remove this cover, and here is our ECU for our engine. We need to remove this connection here and that connection there, and then we can get the ECU out, plug in our adapter, plug in the C-Tronic, and then that's it. Like this. And this one, you need small fingers, of course. It's always required. Now this should come right off, perfect. And then we can get the ECU out. So this is our adapter, bolts in or clicks in like the factory ones. So place it there, push it in until it clicks. Here the same thing, and then we can replug those connectors and then plug in our C-Tronic from Carlsson. So we get the ECU out. I think then it's easier. Just plug it in like this, tack, tack. You need to hear the click, so it's not in here. Now, and here also the same thing. Now it gets back into its old position. So this plugs back in there until it clicks. Okay. And then the same thing for this one. And now this looks good. Zack, zack. Now it's all back to at its old place. We can keep that. And then we just connect our little tuning box here, place it in there, job done. Well, this goes in like that, and that one goes in like that. And then this can be placed in here. Yeah, like this. So now we put the cover back on, but we got one from Carlsson. This is an official Mercedes parts number. Looks quite hacky to me, but it works. So we have here more space required, and that's why they cut this thing out there and added this stuff. Okay. and this was, I think, somewhere like here, but we can align that, of course, to its own position. So it was located way over here, so like this, and tucks in like that. This needs just some alignment. Perfect. So completely stealth look here. No one's ever gonna notice that we have applied some tuning box with some connectors in the engine bay. It's just hidden all in this fuse box, and I think now we get on the road. Now let's start our first test, 100 to 200 with the Carlsson Box.
100. 150.
150. And it's doing absolutely nothing. Nice. Maybe we should do the same test again. So it's slightly slower, slightly faster.
System checked okay. Proceed to test. 100. 150.
150. Nope. Not faster. And now we do the same test, locked in manual mode.
100. 150.
Maybe that's faster, I don't know. It feels faster, but yeah, that's faster. So the tuning box is at least doing something, but you don't feel the 80 Newton meters and the 40 horsepower more, so there should be way better times than that. We can do a retest again from 100 to 200, not in manual mode, so in sports mode, and check if it gets faster now.
System checked okay. Proceed to test. 100. 150. 150.
Now it gets faster. Okay, okay. But just 1 second. And now we try to hit top speed. I don't have any power. So car shut down, no power, nothing, it's dead. I guess it went into limp mode. So I guess we get out here and see what happens and restart the engine, and maybe it's running then. But you see it's completely crap. Costed 1,500 euros. Back then I got this for 300 bucks, but it's not worth the money. I guess this will be an uncut video. Okay, engine starts. We have some protection here, so the power should be only available when the coolant temp is over 60 degrees, and I guess when it reaches 100 degrees it reduces the power, but unfortunately it doesn't. So now I have all my power back, but yeah, completely waste of time. It's not going faster, the car gets into limp mode. Yeah, I guess I will get a refund for that. See you in a minute. Okay guys, so I quickly analyzed the data. We were in both disciplines 1 to 2 seconds faster. That's not what I expected, to be honest, because it said 40 horsepower more and 80 Newton meters more. So it should be at least 2 to 3 seconds faster in my opinion. But apart from that, we all know that the car went into limp mode. So that's quite a bummer, because that was back in the time then the best option without going to some chip tuner and reprogram your ECU to get maximum performance out of your car in the most reliable way. So the box did something, so it was active, but maybe the injectors are not in that good condition anymore, or I don't know, since the car is done over 600,000 kilometers. Maybe it's the car's fault or the chip box's fault, but we know that when you don't use the box, then the car runs perfectly fine. So I try to get a refund or just resell it, but this won't stay in the car any longer. So if you have any questions to the box, to me, or to the car in general, then please let me know in the comments down below. Maybe you also used the C-Tronic box from Carlsson and have any experience there, so please let me know in the comments down below. If you have not subscribed to my channel till now, please make sure you do so. I wish you all the best and see you in the next episode. Bye!